Hello guys, I am Ali Jawad and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will start with lesson number 1 on chapter 14, Light for Cambridge students of the series Physics 5054. So let us start with our lesson. I have been receiving requests from the viewers to make lessons on these topics, so here we are. The famous scientists who have laid down the principles about light includes Ibn Hassam, who has invented the pinhole camera and has successfully captured the picture of solar eclipse. The second is Thomas Young, who has laid down the foundation of wave theories related to light. And last but not the least is Albert Einstein, who has proven that light can behave as particle as well as wave at the same instant of time. The theories and principles related to light which are part of our syllabus are mostly related to the theories proposed by Ibn Hassam. So let us start with this. Ibn Hassam has characterizes the behavior of light in two different branches. One is reflection and other is refraction. So our chapter is also divided into these two branches. So first we will going to cover the theories related to reflection and its applications in our daily life, and then we will go for refraction and lenses. So reflection. We all know that the bouncing back of light from a shiny and smooth surface is known as reflection. It can be divided into two types. One is regular reflection. When light strikes on a smooth and shiny surface, it bounces back in the same medium and with the same angle of incidence. This kind of reflection is known as regular reflection. However, reflection also occurs when light strikes on rough surfaces. In that case, the light bounces off the surface into the same medium, but it does not bounces back at the same angle. Usually, all of the surfaces are irregular in nature because the atomic structure is such that and the arrangement of atoms are such that on microscopic level, the surface cannot be perfectly regular. However, we consider those surfaces as smooth and shiny, which are reflecting light at macro level. For example, in the case of mirror, if we may go at the microscopic level, the particles of mirror will do irregular reflection. But for practical purposes, we can consider it as regular reflection in our daily life. So, for regular reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The light ray incoming from the source is known as incident ray. It can be a torch or a bulb or a laser beam. And when it strikes the surface, so the point where it strikes the surface, we can draw a hypothetical or imaginary line which is forming 90 degrees with the shiny surface, and this hypothetical or imaginary line is known as normal. While the ray which is reflected back from the surface is known as a reflected ray. Now most of the students commit the mistake while measuring angle of incidence. They usually measure this side of the angle, means the angle between the ray and the surface. You need to consider that angle of incidence is always measured, or all the angles are measured with respect to this normal line and not with the respect to surfaces. So for reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection if it is a regular reflection. I hope that you have liked the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch the latest videos on the same topic. Thank you for watching.